Hey everyone, how you doing? Mr. Bookman here, and today I'm going to be reading Mushroom in the Rain by Mirra, Ginsburg, pictures by Jose Arurgo and Ariane, Dewey. Please enjoy. Mushrooms in the Rain. One day, an ant was caught in the rain. Where can I hide? He wondered. He saw a teeny mushroom peeking out of the ground in a clearing, and he hid under it. He sat there waiting for the rain to stop, but the rain came down harder and harder. A wet butterfly crawled up to the mushroom. "Cousin Ant, let me come in from the rain. I am so wet I cannot fly. How can I let you in?" said the ant. "There is barely room enough for one." "It does not matter," said the butterfly. "Better crowded than wet." The ant moved over and made room for the butterfly. The rain came down harder and harder. A mouse ran up. "Let me under the mushroom. I am drenched to the bone." "How can we let you in? There's no more room here. Just move a little closer." They huddled closer and let the mouse in. And the rain came down and would not stop. A little sparrow hopped up on the mushroom crying, "My feathers are dripping. My wings are so tired. Let me in under the mushroom to dry out and rest until the rain stops. But there is no room here. Please move over just a little." They moved over, and there was room enough for the sparrow. Then a rabbit hopped into the clearing and saw the mushroom. "Oh, hide me," he cried. "Save me, a fox is chasing me." "Poor rabbit," said the ant. "Let's crowd ourselves a little more and take him in." As soon as they hid the rabbit, the fox came running. "Have you seen the rabbit? Which way did he go?" he asked. "We have not seen him." The fox came nearer and sniffed. "There is a rabbit smell around. Isn't he hiding here? You silly fox. How could a rabbit get in here? Don't you see there isn't any room?" The fox turned up his nose, flickered his tail, and ran off. By then, the rain was over. The sun looked out from behind the clouds, and everyone came out from under the mushroom, bright and merry. The ant looked at his neighbors. How could this be? At first I had hardly enough room under the mushroom just for myself. And in the end, all 5 of us were able to sit under it. Qua ha ha, qua ha ha. Somebody laughed loudly behind them. They turned and saw a fat green frog sitting on top of the mushroom, shaking his head at them. Qua ha ha, said the frog. Don't you know what happens to a mushroom in the rain? And he hopped away, still laughing. The ant, the butterfly, the mouse, the sparrow, and the rabbit looked at one another, then at the mushroom, and suddenly they knew why there was room enough under the mushroom for all. Did you know? Can you guess what happens to a mushroom when it rains? It grows. Yeah, they do when it rains. How many of you go out and do mushroom picking in the woods during the spring and fall? Let me know in the comment box, or give me a thumbs up if you have been out mushroom picking. I know when I was a youngin', my stepdad and my mom used to go out and do mushroom picking. I've seen other people have done it as well. Well, everyone, hope all of you enjoyed this story, and I want to say thank you very much for watching. And everybody out there, you have a fabulous one, and please stay healthy and stay safe during these crises that we're going through today. And there's not one, that it's everybody around this world, so please listen to what they want you to do. You know, if you have to, wash your hands, and you know, if you got a sneeze or cough, cover with your elbow, and please disinfect everything, and just stay 6 distance feet away from somebody. We'll get over this together. Stay strong. But this is Mr. Bookman, and this story time is over.